If iPadOS 27 or 26 is not installing on your iPad, or the update is stuck on Update Requested, Preparing Update, or shows Unable to Install Update, here are the fixes you should try. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your iPad is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Settings app, tap Wi-Fi, and make sure Wi-Fi is connected. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily, because a VPN or proxy connection can sometimes prevent your iPad from connecting to Apple's update servers. Here's how to disable completely if it's connecting automatically. Scroll to the General and VPN and Device Management options. Tap on VPN. Again, tap on I button next to VPN name and Delete VPN. Confirm Delete option and remove VPN completely from your iPad. Next, connect your iPad to the charger. Keep your iPad plugged into power while downloading and installing the update. The second solution is to check your iPad storage. Open the Settings app, tap General, and then tap iPad Storage. Check how much free storage is available. If your iPad is almost full, delete unnecessary apps and move videos, downloads to other device, and delete it from the device or other large files to free up some space. The third solution is to force restart your iPad. If your iPad doesn't have a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then only press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo after the black screen appears on the screen. After restarting, go back to Settings, General, Software Update, and try installing iPadOS again. If it's still not installing, delete the downloaded update and download it again. Go to Settings, tap General, and open iPad Storage. Scroll down and find the iPadOS update file. Tap on it and select Delete Update. Now go back to Settings, General, Software Update, and download the iPadOS 26 or iPadOS 27 update again. This can fix a corrupted or incomplete update file. If you're still getting an error, try a different Wi-Fi network. Avoid using a personal hotspot if possible. And the last solution is to update your iPad using a computer. Connect your iPad to your Mac or Windows PC with a USB cable. On a Mac, open Finder and select your iPad. On a Windows PC, open the iTunes app. Select your iPad, check for an update, and follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest iPadOS update. Make sure you back up your important data before using advanced recovery or restore options. That's it. Hopefully, iPadOS 26 or iPadOS 27 is now installed successfully on your iPad. If you have any questions, comment below. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for new video updates.